All right, let's just jump right in. You've got a big interview coming up. Maybe it's tomorrow. You've done all the prep, but there's that one question, the one that makes your mind just go completely blank. Well, today we're going to tackle that question head on. So picture this. You're in the chair. You're across the table. It's going pretty well, actually. The hiring manager kind of smiles, leans in a little, and then it comes. So, tell me about yourself. And the question just hangs there in the air. Your heart starts to pound. What do? Your mind just spins, right? It's searching for anything smart to say. And the only thing that pops into your head is, I like pizza. Oh man, we've all had a moment like that where your brain just decides to check out under pressure. It's the moment we all dread. Well, there's actually a name for this. It's called the interview freeze, and it is a real, totally powerful response to stress. So let's talk about why our brains seem to betray us at the worst possible time, and more importantly, what you can do about it. And listen, I want to be super clear about this. If this has happened to you, you are not alone, not even close. This is a universal fear. That feeling of your thoughts just vanishing into thin air right when you need them, it's a completely normal human reaction to a high pressure situation. So, before we get our hands on the solution, we've got to understand the common traps. Because when we're faced with this question, most of us fall into one of two classic mistakes that can really sink an interview before it even gets started. And this lays it out perfectly. On one side, you've got the life story. This is where your nerves kick in and you just start rambling. You recite every single line of your resume from your first summer job to your last project. It's too much for the interviewer. And then on the other side, you've got the silence, the complete freeze up. And that leads to that super long, awkward pause that feels like it lasts forever. Neither one of these is going to work. So, if the old ways don't work, what does? We need a new tool, something simple, something powerful, like a defense mechanism. Let's talk about your work-ready shield. This is the solution that's going to cut right through that anxiety and give the interviewer exactly what they need to hear. And hey, let me talk directly to you for a second. I know you're nervous about this. That's okay. It's a sign that you actually care. So what I'm about to give you, this is your shield. It's designed to protect you in that exact high-pressure moment. So what exactly is this shield? Well, as you can see, it's not some complicated strategy. It's a short, powerful, fill-in-the-blank script. And it's designed to be so simple that you can remember it even under pressure, so you can deliver it with real confidence. And here it is. This is the core of your shield. My name is Name. I have number of years of experience in job. I am hardworking and reliable. It's direct, it's professional, it's confident. You could even swap in other words, right? Like dedicated and detail-oriented. The key is that it's simple and it's true. Okay, so knowing the words is one thing, but really owning them, that's something else entirely. We need to build that muscle memory so this response just becomes automatic. So it's practice time. Let's build up that confidence together right now. Okay, first, just listen. I'll use an example. I'll say it slowly first. My name is Maria. I have 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I am hardworking and reliable. Okay, now at a normal conversational speed. My name is Maria. I have 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I am hardworking and reliable. All right, your turn. I want you to actually say the template out loud. I'll leave a little space for you to do it. Ready? Let's hear it. My name is Maria. I have 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I am hardworking and reliable. Good. Let's do it again. Repetition is what makes the shield strong. Say it one more time. Go. My name is Maria. I have 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I am hardworking and reliable. Excellent. One last time. But this time, I want you to say it with more volume, more conviction. Say it like you really mean it. Louder. My name is Maria. I have 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I am hardworking and reliable. Fantastic work. You've got the tool, and now you've practiced using it. So for your final mission, let's make sure you're all set to take this shield with you into that next interview.
Here's your homework. It's simple. Take out a piece of paper, open a note on your phone, whatever works. Write down the script. Then, fill in the blanks with your information. Your name, your number of years of experience, and your job or your field. This is what makes the shield yours.
And here's the most important step. Once you have your personalized script, you have to read it out loud 5 times. Not in your head. Say the words out loud. This is the final step that commits it to memory and makes sure it's right there for you when you need it the most. And that's it. You've gone from fearing the freeze to having a solid, confident, and professional opening statement. You did the work. Your shield is ready. So the only question left is, are you?